सलमान, आपसे मेरा सवाल था कि पाकिस्तान टीम को बहुत सारे साबिक क्रिकेटर्स और मीडिया वाले अंडर रेट कर रहे हैं कि ये टीम नहीं जीत सकती है, इस टीम के अंदर इतने गट्स नहीं है। क्या इसके ऊपर आपकी ओपिनियन है? पाकिस्तानी टीम कितना तैयार है अगली 2 असाइनमेंट्स के लिए?
सर मुझे लगता है ये लोगों की ओपिनियंस है, एक्स क्रिकेटर्स की ओपिनियन है, पब्लिक ओपिनियन है कि आप किस नंबर पे रैंक कर रहे हैं एशिया में, या आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन की जा रही है। एज अ टीम हम इस बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोगों को एज अ टीम अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलनी है और जो मैचेस खेलने जा रहे हैं वो मैचेस जीतने हैं। हम सिर्फ इस चीज़ को ही देखते हैं। बाकी लोगों की ओपिनियन है, हर किसी को अपनी ओपिनियन रखने का मतलब हक है, वो रख सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके उनकी ओपिनियन से हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
टीम कहाँ पर खड़ी हुई है सर?
टीम आपने लास्ट 3 सीरीज देखी, हमने लास्ट 3 में से 2 सीरीज जीते हैं, तो टीम मेरे ख्याल से एक नया कॉम्बिनेशन है, नई टीम बन रही है और काफ़ी अच्छी शेपअप हो रही है, और आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि एक अच्छी टीम नजर आएगी आपको खेलती हुई। I think it's a great tournament. We don't really have much transition series around the world. I think it's when I was young, I was used to watch a game in TVs. There was a lot of games. There was a lot of transition series in Sharjah. So it was. I think it's a great initiative, and I think these things happen more often. Should happen more often, and it will impact a lot in the Asia Cup, because once you play games here, you will obviously the teams who have played games here, practice here, came here before like 10, 12 days, they will definitely have benefit going into the Asia Cup. So for us as a team, we came here like 10 days ago, and we are very much prepared now, well prepared, and we are very looking forward to this transition series and Asia Cup as well. सर गर्मी तो हम अभी बांग्लादेश गए थे, अमेरिका गए, वेस्ट इंडीज़ गए, वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी गर्मी थी, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पर आकर इतना वो मुश्किल हुआ नहीं है गर्मी से एडजस्ट होने का। लेकिन ये एक वेदर ऐसी चीज़ है कि आप इसको एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि हम एज ए एथलीट और एज ए प्रोफेशनल हम लोगों को कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, कोई भी वेदर को आपको डील करना हो, वो हमको करना ही करना है, क्योंकि ये मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप इसको देकर बोलेंगे तो ये एक्सक्यूज़ हो जाएगा। और मुझे नहीं लगता सर हमारी टीम में ऐसी कोई वीकनेस है, हम लोग एक अच्छी टीम बनते जा रहे हैं। हम सिर्फ कोशिश करते हैं कि डे बाय डे इम्प्रूव करते जाएं एज अ टीम, चाहे वो बॉलिंग हो, बैटिंग हो, और चाहे वो फील्डिंग हो, और मुझे लग रहा है कि हम राइट ट्रैक में हैं।
Take one final question. I believe we have someone in Pashto for Rashid.
मैंने आपको पहले बोला कि हम लोग जैसी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और 2 बेस्ट टीम के अगेंस्ट खेल रहे हैं, और जैसे हम लोग लास्ट 1-2 साल से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग इधर टफ टाइम देंगे सबको, और इंशाल्लाह कि हम लोग जीतने भी जाएंगे और जीतेंगे भी, क्योंकि T20 जैसा राशिद भाई ने बोला, T20 किसी का गेम नहीं है। जिस दिन जो अच्छा करेगा उस दिन पे वो जीतेगा। तो हम लोग अपनी तरफ से पूरा एफर्ट करके मतलब घर से ही ऐसे निकलेंगे कि हम लोग जीतने के लिए जा रहे हैं। ये बात नहीं है कि हम लोग किसके अगेंस्ट खेल रहे हैं। अगर हम लोग उस दिन पे बेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, जो हमने सीखा है और जो हम कर रहे हैं, तो इंशाल्लाह हम लोग किसी को भी टफ टाइम दे सकते हैं।
हैदर अली के बारे में?
हैदर अली ही इज़ गुड बॉलर, एंड उसको एक्सपीरियंस भी है इधर का, वो बहुत क्रिकेट खेला है इधर शारजा स्टेडियम में भी, और जैसा उसने लास्ट 2 टूर्नामेंट में बॉलिंग की है, आई होप कि वो इस टूर्नामेंट में भी अच्छी बॉलिंग करेगा।
In cricket, we've had a real good success in recent years in terms of UAE cricket, beating New Zealand, beating Afghanistan, and then beating Bangladesh in a whole series. So, how do you look forward to this opportunity with 2 world-class teams competing against the UAE? You can hold the mic, please.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a proud moment for us. We had beaten Afghanistan, New Zealand, Bangladesh, and yeah, it's a good opportunity for as an associate team. We are playing against the best teams. And the way we are preparing ourselves, I think in this series also we will get some rewards also.
Wasim, quickly tell us about the team that's been selected for this tournament, some youngsters as well. So, how confident you are about them delivering at this stage, and 2 other players, if you might want to name, who the media and of course the fans at large should look forward to seeing?
Yeah, we made a good team, good combination with seniors and juniors both, and juniors I would say Ethan D'Souza, Ali Shan, and Dhruv also, they are doing very good actually, and I'm very happy with the performance of them and the way they are preparation, and they change their approach and game. I think look after for them.
Thank you, Wasim. Moving on to Salman. Salman, of course, Pakistan and Sharjah, they go a long way. Such rich history of Pakistan cricket here in Sharjah. This opportunity, what it means to Pakistan cricket, of course, for this series and then looking ahead to the Asia Cup as well.
Yeah, it's an iconic place for Pakistan. It's been outstanding. Whenever we came here, we always done well. And yeah, it's a great preparation for us for the Asia Cup and playing the two, I think, great teams. So it's going to be challenging and we are very excited.
Tell us a bit about your team as well. You've been here for about 7-8 days. We've seen a rigorous preparation and a very long camp in Dubai at the ICC Academy. How have the preparations been, and any players that you might want to name who can, of course, excel in the tournament?
Yeah, the preparation has been outstanding. We came here, the weather was tough, so it's been 7-8 days now. We are used to that, and preparation is going very well. And I don't want to mention any one name because we have like a quality side and some very exciting youngsters and some very amazing senior players who have done really well in this venue and around the world. So mentioning one name is going to be tough, but yeah, we have a very exciting side, and I'm very happy with the preparation going on, and we are ready for the challenge tomorrow.
All the very best, Salman.
Thank you.
If we can have Rashid now. Rashid, of course, Afghanistan have also played a lot of cricket in the UAE, here in Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Rich experience, tremendous performances by the team in recent past, including the semi-final that you guys made it to in the T20 World Cup in the West Indies and USA. So how excited are you about the tournament? Tell us about the preparations and what all to look forward to from an Afghanistan perspective.
Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I think it has been great years for us, Afghanistan cricket team, over the last 4 years. How we have performed in ICC events, I think something great. But you know, the preparation has been great so far, and we haven't played much of the T20s over the last few months. But the guys are busy all around playing leagues, and I think that's something which is helping them to get better and better. And for us, it's a great opportunity to play against the best sides and get better and have a good preparation for the Asia Cup.
Rashid, the team was always known for its spin bowling prowess, with of course you leading the attack, but in the recent past we have seen some tremendous performances with the bat as well. You've got quality batters, so has that really helped the team become an all-round team which is beating the best in the world? We've seen you beat Australia, Pakistan and other teams recently.
Well, definitely, I think that's something which has been done over the last 3-4 years. Why we have done well in ICC event is that the guys, especially in the batting department, they took the responsibility, and I feel like as soon the batting department took the responsibility, we went close to winning the games, and I think that was something we were missing for the last few years when we were not closing the games well. But now I feel like batters are taking responsibility, and that's something which we get in the right result as well for us as a team.
Lastly, are you expecting big crowd support from the Afghan fans, because they've always come in big numbers in these venues?
You always expect, especially in UAE, to be having a full stadium pack in for both the teams, for all three teams, UAE, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and it's going to be exciting series ahead.
Thank you very much, and all the very best to you, Rashid, as well.